Hey Glam fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do something a little different. I've been seeing this all over, well, I saw it on Instagram first, but then I did see it all over TikTok. It is a different version on TikTok, but what I saw on Instagram is a girl took a palette, and that's me shaking numbers, and she numbered them and stuck the numbers in something. I'm sticking it in this, and then just picked 4 different ones, I believe it was. I think I'm gonna go with 3. Okay, I'll do 4 just in case. But I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And yeah, so we're gonna pick numbers. So first number I'm picking is how did I put an empty one in here? Literally put an empty one in there. I don't know how I did that. Like, no number. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Okay, 4. Ugh, pretty intimate. 11. And 15. Let me show you what those are. For 11 and 15. I wish I could have, like, was able to get, like, I don't know, bolder colors. I feel like that's not so bold, but I mean, it's also like natural and pretty, so there's always that. And I just put the empty one back in there, so that'll be fun for next time. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started for 11 and 15. So 11 seems to be the darker shade, so I'm gonna start with that one. So we're gonna go in with, what are we gonna go in with? A Morphe 433 brush. I need a mirror. Okay, so I forgot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So we're gonna go in with 11. And apply that on our outer corner. Okay, so this shade, I realized it didn't say the shade that we used, but the shade that we used for the outer corner, which was number 11 from the number we picked, was the shade Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And now we're gonna go in with M.F.E.O. I can't remember which set that stands for, but we're gonna go in, so that would be number 4 that we picked, and we're gonna put that as a transition shade right on top. So just color melting and blending. Okay, so now that we did the whole blending thing, now we're gonna go in with number 15. Sorry, excuse the chicken claws, or my mom likes to call them my T-Rex hands because she's a jerk. Anyway, so we picked the number 15. So that would be the shimmer shade that I previously showed you guys, which is called Obsessed. So using a flat brush, I'm gonna apply that where I don't have any shadow. Now that we have the shimmer everywhere, I'm going to close the palette. It's actually really pretty. I'm going to go in with some liner and lashes, so I will, per usual, do that off camera. Just until, like, the days my husband's here to help me film, I don't think I have to do them off camera because he can help me, like, maneuver the camera and everything around so I can get at an angle where I'm not blocking the camera. When I am filming on my own, I can only really have the camera on one spot, and I mean, with doing liner, I'm constantly blocking my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so did my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm mixing together Makeup Forever and my two Infallible foundations that I have to kind of make a little cocktail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then obviously apply it to my face. Also, apply concealer and set all that. Yeah, okay. Alright, so for this look, I am going to add a little bit of something in my under eye. I'm going to mix Pukey in the transition shade as well and apply that to my only the outer corner, and then I'm going to lightly fan in. So I'm not bringing it all the way through. I'm doing it just on the end right here. I'm not going to apply mascara. I'm like drawing a blank on what else I need to do. I'm going to go in with like a little bit of a light peach blush. Just put it on the apples of my cheeks, just so I don't look, you know, just look lightly flushed. And for highlight, we're gonna go in with Crushed Pearl. Okay, so at this point, obviously you'd be doing a lip. Hold that thought. Alright, so before I go in with my lip, I did go back and apply like these little jewels right here at the end of my eyeliner. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. But now, so for lip, for a look like this, I feel like if you wanted to add like a bold cherry red or like, I don't know, just any kind of bold lip that you kind of wanted to go, is obviously matching with the look. If you wanted to go in with a bold lip look, I mean, you can. I'm going to stick with more just neutral looking, nice looking type of vibe look. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with ColourPop's gloss in Attention Haul. As you guys know, my favorite nude lip gloss ever. So I'm going to go in with that. Alright guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look and today's video and, you know, today's take on today's video. I definitely think I will be doing this again, maybe like a once a month type of thing, but picking the numbers, you know, not knowing what look and then putting it all together. I actually really enjoyed it, so I probably, like I said, will be doing this again. Maybe twice a month, who knows? I'll figure it out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys are not subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well, and I will see you guys in my next one.